What a start for the Outlaws. A little bit of swing, maybe a little bit of nip off the surface. 0 for 1, perfect start. And again, same result, dipping into the right-hander at the last moment. Incredible start here for Notts. Gone.
All the shots you could have played.
Well, he's just managed to thread it through. And gone, easily. Rolled in by Samit Patel, a little bit slower perhaps.
Power. Yeah, that's good. That's really good.
Well, they need that. They desperately needed that. It's tough going out there on this surface.
So you go the other way instead, and you go the full Glenn Maxwell. If one boundary is too big on one side, there are ways and means of getting it to the other. There he goes. There he goes again. And this time, he's got the distance. It's quality, it's innovation, it's Glenn Maxwell. An excellent half-century. Oh, there we go again. Short boundary, picked up, pivoted on the back foot. And Maxwell's shown us all his tricks. Huge appeal and given by umpire Nick Cook. This time over the top. Is it going to fall straight into the hands of Samit Patel? And what might have been, but goodness hasn't he entertained us.
He's got him. First ball, would you believe it? First ball of both innings has resulted in a wicket. And that's a great shot from Alex Hales. Gone. Would you believe it?
Super shot. That is all about timing. Gone up a long way. Simple catch. Simple catch for Glenn Maxwell.
Picked up really sweetly that by Moores. Really good shot. He's gone high. Opportunity taken. And guess who? Room again. Now this could be straight to Davis. Brilliant. Look at what it means to Lancashire. Huge appeal given. Another one goes. Imad has to depart. He doesn't like it. He's going to have to wear it though.
Oh, completely done. He knew he was coming. He charged him so early to call the pace out of the delivery. Oh, got that wrong. Got that really wrong. Full toss on the pads. He is not going to miss out on that. Oh, what a shot. Right off middle stump. Same again. Don't even bother looking. That is into the crowd. What a finish we have in store here. 10 from 4. Bowled him. Middle stump that time. Can you deliver, James Faulkner? Yes, he can. Oh, a big shot. Maxwell. Simple catch for him. That shot will be a boundary, but it is not enough.